sounds incredible. Holy cow. It is another lovely afternoon here at German Autohaus, and today we are finally getting that much closer to completion. It is tuning day. They're doing the final tuning setups of the car, getting it all flashed up. Look at this fancy Japanese Ferrari posted out front.
It's made street legal.
Yeah, now fully street legal.
License plate, exhaust, everything's done with it. We got a lock and key, everything.
He's had several trips here, hasn't he?
A few, just a few.
I mean,
I haven't figured this one out. Yeah, come on. That's kind of a... There's no security for that.
Oh yeah, that is true. Anyone, I guess, can just stick their hand in there or whatever. That's gonna make drive-thrus a little interesting. Mark is freaking killing it out here. Hopefully in the future we'll have a video going in depth with this car. It's cool to once see it from Tokyo all the way now here down in Washington. All right, so what do we got here today?
Just some random twin turbo R8.
That's been in here for a while.
3.5 months.
Oh, hello. How's it going?
How you doing? Finally, after 3 months. Guys, please, can you make sure you're done before Christmas? Yeah. 2023.
Dude, it's been here for so long. Look how dirty this thing has got. And it's been kept inside too. That's how long. It's just like the dust from probably in here has just settled on it over
like
time.
dust flying, everything like about the 3 months.
We do park it outside once in a while.
Yeah, every now and then.
No. Sometimes we move after we finish. We moving out.
Yeah.
Because
They swap.
Yeah. No, I mean. We just fire up, warm up to check how is everything, because we need a few more cycles to make sure like no any leaks, no any some problem.
Yeah.
Okay, let's fire up. We already talked to the Sheepey. They check the log files. They say it's good. He asked like, okay, we can do like a couple more time in degree for just like a little bit more power. I say no, it's enough.
Okay.
I mean, this is now it's a safe because we have a shitty gas 92 here.
Yeah.
And I mean, just like it's good.
Yeah, exactly. There's only so much you could do with Washington Pump 92 that I mean, we don't have E85 stations just rolling around. This car won't be set up for E85, so.
Yeah, we do have two.
We have
two gas station. One in Marysville. Another one is Sammamish.
Snoqualmie, right? Yeah, Snoqualmie, yeah.
You're right.
People don't know that those two stations are like an hour away from each other and like not really ideal for like just stopping on the way out.
Yeah,
so.
We always keep couple big barrel with the...
Yeah, you have to literally keep barrels if you're gonna have E.
Okay,
so Alex already remote in and it's all like he basically got the tune all set up?
He done ECU and TCU flush.
Okay.
Yeah, just it's ready to go.
So now just do some pulls, see what power it makes?
Let's warm up and do a few pulls.
All right, let's go. Dude, I've been waiting for this for so long. Alex from Sheepey Race, he basically has already, there's a wire. He can just remote in all the way down from Temecula where they're at, and he can basically flash the car and, you know, read all the diagnostics, make sure everything's good. So he's already done that. The car's already tuned. Should be literally as good to go now. We're just gonna let it warm up and we're gonna do some runs on their dyno so that we could confirm the amount of power that this thing makes. What's the most horsepower car you put on these things?
I think it was 1,000. Real 1,000.
What car was it? McLaren? Oh, okay. God dang McLaren's always making the most power. 720?
No. Was it 65? No, 720. Was it 720? It was 720.
Yeah.
My bad.
I give you one deal. Let's check your ZL.
Oh yeah, it's right outside. You want to plop it on there?
Maybe not today, but for sure the next couple days this week. We will work on the dyno and check the dyno sheet from them and our hub dyno.
Yeah, because the ZL1's supposed to be 860 wheel. I think that's around what they put.
We'll see.
Yeah.
And this thing is loud.
That's good. I mean, no more cats.
Yeah,
So,
your neighbors will love you.
They're already.
I know.
It don't have to compete against the ZL1. That's already pretty loud.
Yep.
Well, here goes nothing. Oh boy, she's loading up. See what she puts down to the wheels. Yeah, it's still really loud.
It's not as loud as the Camaro, but
Yeah.
it is loud.
That sounds incredible. All right, where are we? 713 to the wheels. Ooh, 500 pound-feet of torque.
That's the wheels, so you have to recalculate. He'll let you know.
Okay.
841 at the crank.
Oh, wow. Dang.
Yeah, this is like they mentioned, like about the 850.
Yeah.
Stage 1, about the 850 crank.
Yeah. It's still all-wheel drive, right?
For now, I mean, once we plug everything back in, it'll be all-wheel
Yeah,
drive.
this is all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
We just for us easiest to pull on dyno, like a rear-wheel drive dyno mode, ESP off, and then check everything.
Gotcha.
You can still smell the paint and everything.
No, this is the coating.
Yeah,
Yeah, this
coating.
is just like need few
Sorry.
cycle to clean that,
Almost.
Almost.
You'll have it.
Almost, yeah, I think tomorrow to get this car back.
Yeah, once we put on.
Yeah, we need to install the
liners
fender
and
liner,
everything.
just like few more time, check everything.
Okay.
Ready to go?
Oh, so yeah, you can see that this wasn't there before. Brand new heat exchanger. All right, so
No more trunk for you.
yeah, unfortunately not. Rallying with this in the future is going to be difficult. We can maybe fit like something small, right? How delicate do you think this stuff is?
I just like this one. It's like a purge line, and here is this line. Just like be careful with this because that you can drain out everything.
Oh
Yeah,
shoot.
this is just a draining line.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think your sneakers, pair of
Just
the
don't have a
sneakers.
passenger. And put everything in the
Yeah,
passenger
exactly.
seat.
Oh, remember your old Audi? Just like you needed that.
Oh yeah, no, the ski box. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, no, I was hoping that I wouldn't have to resort to that, but yeah.
That, you gotta have the top on.
Yeah, exactly. So in the future, if there's a ski box added onto this, don't blame me. We actually will need it. I have no front space left over.
I wouldn't put anything in there.
After how much you guys probably been through, like in and out of it. So when do you have to refill with water ever? They should just stay. They're fancy.
This is the coolant.
Oh,
Now
okay.
it's still bleeding. It just like they have delay about 3-4 minutes.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah,
it just
this is like-
remains
like
on.
a,
Like a
yeah,
couple minutes
like a
afterwards.
relay inside,
Oh,
and just
gotcha.
like after 4-5 minutes, it's shut down.
It doesn't need ice or anything.
You're good.
That's good. That's good. I guess the bigger power boys, they'll be putting their ice and stuff all in there. So instead of picking it up right after the tuning, the car is basically all good to go. It freaking runs. It's tuned. It makes over 700 wheel horsepower now. But I'm not gonna pick it up directly today just because Dima wants to basically look through some finishing touches and make sure everything is all 100% solid. So I hate to do you guys like that, but you're gonna have to stay tuned for one more video for my first reactions on driving our new Sheepey Race R8 and basically bringing it home for the first time. It's gonna have more of a driving character difference than even the ZL1 has. The ZL1 will probably still have much more power, but the way that the R8 is gonna put down its power is being entirely revised. So we're gonna see how it feels. We got all these cars out here, and the biggest menace of them all is rolling through right now. The Seattle Police Department. Oh, don't back into them. That would not be ideal. Oh. All right, so now what do we do?
60 to 130 right here.
The best part of the night. Everyone in the slot scrambling out of here. Let's see what we got. all of Seattle is awake.
No more hearing.
Yeah.
Just, it's gone.
I want to hear yours.
Beautiful.
It's not gonna do that. We can
It's gonna
try.
make good noises at least.
I can see if I can get some flames. We'll give it a try.
Oh, he's not done. They got someone in the back seat of a Porsche?
Yeah.
How is this possible?
No, I mean, it's a family car. It's
This isn't even seats. You can't have legs.
Yeah, I can.
Oh my gosh.
Beauty.
Oh, now you're gonna crush him.
Beauty.
Dude, I can't believe there's a human being back there. This guy's got upgraded turbo kit, over 1,000 wheel horsepower car. It's very subtle, but this thing will walk almost every other exotic here. Yeah, that's definitely not your typical purist owned Porsche. Let's hear it. I gotta be careful with what I say. He's like, I gotta back up.
God damn it.
Nothing like an AMG. Woo! All right, you ready to get out of here now? He even warmed up my car for me. Seattle was not made for supercars. It's just gridlock traffic when everyone's trying to leave and cruise out at once. You're not gonna peer pressure me?
I'm not that kind of guy. I'm responsible now. Since the last time we've seen each other,
All right.
I'm responsible. So I would never do that to you.
You know
Unless you
how
want to.
delicate the RB26s are.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I have like 6 of them in my garage, so it's
Oh, okay.
whatever.